how to check time spent on Facebook. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So in order to check the time you have spent on Facebook, you need to go to the certain settings. For that, you have to tap on the three-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. And you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the settings and privacy option. Simply tap on the drop down and you have to go for settings. Once you're under settings, you'll be able to see the various options over here. You have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see your time on Facebook under preferences. Simply tap over there. And once you open up that, you'll be able to see this interface. You have to simply go for see your time option. Tap on see time. Here you'll be able to see the time you have spent on your Facebook. You can scroll over here and you can also see daytime versus nighttime and also your visits. And if you want weekly updates on how much time you have spent, then you can simply turn on this option and there will be update weekly about how much time you have spent on Facebook. So this is how you can check time spent on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.